Do some stretching and yoga. You guys ready? Oh, this is gonna be slow, and we're gonna be a slow start. So, for beginners too, I don't know what I'm doing. All I know is that we got to keep our bodies mobile. So, this is the first nice day. I set up a nice little spot here, and we're gonna get started. Take my coat off. All right. I'm gonna take my shoes off. I'm gonna take my shoes off. Bare toes on the grass. You gotta touch grass. Oh yeah. So yeah, we stretch. Start out slow. You can stretch however you want. Can't believe it's gonna be my first yoga video this spring 2025. I know there's a system, but I don't really follow it. I'm stretching forward while I'm putting my feet together. Stretching my neck. Stretching. Stretching my back. My arms. One, two, three. One, two, three. Turn over. Stretch. And stand out and do the little upstanding ones. Upstanding ones. We're gonna turn, do the twist. Do the twist. You wanna do this way? Alright. Alright, I think we're done. I think we're done for today. First one. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you go and try something too. All right. God bless everyone. Have a beautiful summer. Happy Easter. Go do something that makes your body feel good, like stretching, dancing, walking, whatever it is. All right. God bless. Have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe.